Welcome to our series helping you become a content creator. So, if you don't have this one thing and you start posting content, first of all, you're going to struggle with what to post. But not just that, when you start posting, you're going to feel like you are all over the place with your content. And that thing is none other than content pillars. Having a content pillar will change your entire content game. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you what they are and break it down for you step by step. A lot of people think that once they start creating content, they can just post whatever they want, post whatever comes to their mind. But that, my friend, is a big mistake because that is going to make your content lack direction. And if your audience don't know exactly what to expect from you, they're not going to stick around. A clear content structure, clear content pillars is what makes your audience not just find you, follow you, trust you, and engage with your content. So you're thinking, Amaka, what exactly are content pillars and how can you use them to grow a strong and engaging brand on social media, right? Let's dive in. Content pillars are simply the core topics that you create your content around. They help you keep your content focused, they help you attract the right audience, and they also make the content creation process easy for you. And it doesn't end there. They help you stay consistent, attract the right followers, and position you as an expert in your industry or in your niche. So to choose your content pillars, here are 3 questions that you need to ask yourself. One, what do I want to be known for? Who do I want to be seen as? Who do I want to be perceived as? When my audience go through my content, when my audience see my content, what do I want them to think of me? Who do I want them to see me as? This is a very important question that you need to ask and also answer this question. It will help you choose the right content pillar for your brand. The second question is, what does my audience need help with? If you're creating content that is not beneficial to your target audience, they will not even engage with it, neither will they follow you. So it's important that you know their needs, their challenges, their pain points, so that you can create content about it using your content pillars. The third question that you need to ask yourself and answer is, what type of content do I enjoy creating? For example, if you're a content creator who helps small businesses on social media, your content pillars could be social media growth, where you share tips to help small businesses grow online. It could also include content creation, where you share content tips, hacks, tools, and all of that. It could be business and personal branding, where you help them, where you teach them how to show and market themselves to get more sales and attract clients. And it could also be personal, relatable content where you share personal things, your personal journey, the mistakes that you've made, your growth, and all of that, just to carry your audience along and to help them build connection with you. So if you're just starting and you're thinking, okay, we've heard you, how many content pillars do we need? You can choose between 3 to 5 content pillars. And that's because having too little content pillars, like you choose just one content pillar, is going to keep you in a box. It's going to limit the kind of content that you create. It's going to keep you stuck and limited. But if you choose too many content pillars, it's going to confuse your audience. They won't know what to expect. They won't really know exactly what you're about. So it's best to keep it between 3 to 5 content pillars. So now that you've heard all of this, let's get practical. Drop 3 to 5 of your content pillars in the comment section. And if you're having a hard time figuring out what your content pillars are, let me know what you create content about, and I'll help you with 3 to 5 content pillars that you can create content about. There you have it. Save this video because you definitely need to come back to it for reminders and share it to someone who will need it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.